welcome back to another video. My name is Lynn. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're a returning subscriber, love you for watching as always. And in today's video, I will be doing a hair video. No, it's not about the hair that I have right now. It's on my natural hair journey kind of thing. You guys know I love to do those videos, and I have about 2 up. You can go ahead and check them out. I will link them somewhere there for y'all. And before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, hit the post notification bell so you don't miss any uploads from me. As you guys know, in 2020, about, I believe that was like June-ish or so, I cut my hair. I will insert something right now. Yeah, I cut it off really short. So basically what this video is my hair grew back a lot, pretty fast. So I definitely wanted to see the length of it. So I had to just silk press it for me to see my length and where it is right now. Definitely surprised by the length. I'm happy in the length of it, but it needs a lot of work. Like my ends are a bit dull, so I need to take that out and just, you know, continue my process with all the stuff that I use and things like that. So that's what you'll be seeing in this video. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying. Probably about 10 minutes or so, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment sections below. I will be happy to help you about anything that you want to know about my hair and stuff like that. No, I do not know my hair type, so please don't ask me that question because I don't even know what that means. Like, yeah, I don't know. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Like I said, comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so basically this is what Letitia's gonna be using in my hair. This is some hair product she got from a small business, and yeah, she's just moisturizing it, you know, give it some moisture because I washed it off camera, and then just getting it ready to do what she has to do. As you can see, my hair is a big mess. Alright guys, so now she's basically sectioning it into some sections. My hair is really thick, and as you can see, it's knotted up. So she's sectioning it out and combing it out before she starts to blow dry it. So obviously that's easier to do. And if you guys are watching, do not forget to follow my business pages here on the screen and in the description below. But yeah, and also my personal page as well, always in the screen description below. So she's now starting to blow dry, so she's gonna blow dry it all and comb it through. As you can see, I was doing a TikTok. Check out my TikTok again, follow all my pages and see what I'm up to over there. But yeah, just blow drying it out section by section. Okay guys, so yeah, basically she's still doing the same thing here. Don't mind my face, my hair is all knotted up. But yeah, it wasn't that bad to comb through. Yeah, she's just still blow drying it right now, putting down the sections. Yeah, I just wanted to do this to see the length of my hair as to what it's at now, as I showed you guys earlier in the video, the length I cut it at. Check out my older videos, you'll see all the chops I did and the cuts. You'll see where my hair length was before I actually did that big chop. So yeah, you know, I love to experiment with my hair, and yeah, so that's basically what I did. I just cut it out and then colored it and did all the fun stuff. And now I'm trying to basically ease up, to say the least, with all the things that I've been doing in my hair, and I've been growing it naturally since I cut it, so that's great. But I definitely, I've been tempted to put color. But yeah, this is what it looks like after blow drying. As you can see, it's pretty big still. And I'm doing my TikTok. But yeah, it's pretty long. Like, you can see the length in this. So that's great. I was loving it. Look at me, like, yes. So this is what we're going to be using to flat iron, silk press, whatever you want to call it. And again, she's going in with sections. So she's sectioning it, putting some grease. What do you call this thing? Putting some moisturizer, grease, whatever, in the scalp, so it won't be dry and ashy. And then going in with the flat iron until obviously it's to the texture or the that she wants, because she's doing it and she knows what she's doing. So yep. Guys, keep in mind that we are not professionals. Letitia's not a professional. I trust her with my hair, and if there's something that I want to do my hair and she can execute it, or she wants to, she does it. So that's basically what happens. And so basically that's how we do it. And obviously a YouTuber, so I document anything and everything that I want to do, so this is a part of it. So don't judge us or anything. Do not come for us in no way. All right. But she sectioned it out and just straightened it. My ends are now a problem. It's pretty dead. You know how it is when your hair is growing and such. So we didn't plan to do that now, but we will do it soon. Get rid of the dead ends. But basically this video is to see the length of it. And honestly, I'm so surprised. I love the length. I just didn't like my the way my ends looked. But we're getting there. My next natural hair journey is to basically get rid of those dead ends and just keep putting my products that I put to keep it healthy, and that's basically all I do. And whenever I'm ready to switch up my style, and basically this is the end process, how it looked. You see the ends, it's a bit dull, pretty shiny though. It's healthy except for obviously that part in the hair. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.